Hello my people, thank you so much for joining me once again. Welcome to another lesson of Kiswahili for beginners. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you common Kiswahili questions. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and watch this video to the end. My name is Teacher Hezron. Now, before we go deep into common Kiswahili sentences, let us first of all understand when, why, where, what, and who in Kiswahili. And then we shall go straight into questions. Now, when in Kiswahili is lini. Lini. Number 2, we have why. Why is kwa nini. Kwa nini. And then number 3, we have where. Where in Kiswahili is wapi. Wapi. What. What is nini. Who. Who in Kiswahili you will say nani. Now, after getting a deeper knowledge of when, lini, why, kwa nini, where, wapi, what, nini, who, nani, let us now go straight to our common Kiswahili questions in sentence form. Now, the first one, it's a very common question. What is your name? When you want to ask somebody what is your name in Kiswahili, it's very simple. You say, jina lako nani? Whereby jina is name, lako is yours, nani is what. So, when you want to know somebody's name, just ask that person, jina lako nani? Number 2, we have, what are you doing? Unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? Then number 3, we have, who are you? When you are talking to a stranger, you don't know that person. In Kiswahili, say, wewe ni nani? Wewe ni nani? At number 4, where are you going? When you want to know where a person is going and you want to use Kiswahili, you will ask a person, unaenda wapi? What is your problem? What is your problem? Shida yako ni gani? When somebody is bothering you and you don't know why, ask that person in Kiswahili, shida yako ni gani? Shida yako ni gani? Number 6, where is your mother? You just arrive at someone's home. You only find maybe kids. You want to know where the mom is. In Kiswahili, say, mama yako yuko wapi? Mama yako yuko wapi? Where is my phone? That is number 7. Simu yangu iko wapi? Number 8, how are you? Uko vipi? Uko vipi? Or you can say, unaendeleaje? Number 9, do you love me? Do you love me? In Kiswahili, you say, je, unanipenda? Je, unanipenda? What do you like? What do you like? Unapenda nini? Unapenda nini? What will you eat? Utakula nini? Utakula nini? What will you drink? What will you drink? Utakunywa nini? Utakunywa nini? Number 13. Do you love God? Unampenda Mungu? Whereby unampenda is a question to that person. Do you love? And then Mungu is God. Do you have a wife? When you meet somebody, you want to know the status of this person, you will ask, je, una mke? Una mke, whereby mke is wife. Are you married? Are you married? Je, umeoa? That is for a man. You will ask a man, je, umeoa? And if you are directing your question to a lady, then you will ask, je, umeolewa? Je, umeolewa? Number 16. Where do you live? Unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? Number 17. Where is your father? Baba yako yuko wapi? Baba yako yuko wapi? Do you have money? Do you have money? Je, una pesa? Pesa is money. Do you love her or do you love him? We use one question to refer to this, him or her. Je, unampenda yeye? Je, unampenda yeye? Whereby yeye stands for him or her. Number 20. Why are you crying? Unalia nini? Unalia nini? Number 21. Why are you laughing? Unacheka kwa nini? Or you can say, kwa nini unacheka? 22 we have, are you hungry? Je, unahisi njaa? Whereby njaa is hunger. And then we have, where will you go? Utaenda wapi? Utaenda wapi? At number 24, what are you saying? Unasema nini? And then lastly, number 25, when will you come back? Utarudi siku gani? Utarudi siku gani? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Share this video and like.